like what point did you kind of stop seeing yourself as being like the overweight guy to like to the point where like now you're going to be like an athlete. Like this is you're the athlete now. Like when did that transition happen for you?
Honestly, man, like I see myself in the mirror and I see myself, yeah, but like I still kind of have that like fear at the back of my head, you know? And
Mhm.
that's honestly like what drives me harder now is because I don't want to be that guy anymore. You
Sure.
know, I have my son now. And that's a big driving factor for me to like stay on top of my nutrition, stay on top of my goals, you know, because it'd be super easy to just be like, oh, well, I can go to the gym 3, 4 times a week and maintain what I got and, kind of just be here and, manage my business and that's it, you know.
Right.
But I want more for myself. I want more out of life. My wife wants more out of life. My son wants more out of life, you know. So
Right.
that requires me to go out there and get it.